right, we got a snow mountain. It's all piled up. This is our walk down to the river. We're gonna have to decide our own path and go from there. And once we get down into the river, it's game on. The fish are vulnerable. They're looking. And we got exactly what they're looking for. So, fingers crossed. It's beautiful out here. A little slice of heaven.
Oh yeah. Spot.
This is the spot?
Yeah.
Oh shit, alright.
Sadly.
Alright, let's see if Brian gets over this hump here. Yeah, snowshoes might have been nice. Oh shit. This is gonna suck so much ass. The last time we did this was like in I think 2016 or 17. Okay, it's actually not too bad. The snow is actually staying. Oh, okay, there we go. The snow is actually holding up. Nipple deep? You need a hand? Holy shit. You need a hand? Here.
There we go.
You got it?
I'm out.
Oh, alright. Holy, oh, we got a hole right here. Look at that.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Alright, you got dibs. Oof. Boy, alright. Well, I'm gonna turn the camera off because I only have like 20 minutes of video, so we'll turn on the camera when. Oh, that was a drop. In hand.
Blow my fucking knee out.
Here you go. Your shoulder? Oh, fuck.
No.
How do you want to do this?
My knee.
Your knee?
Left for a second.
Alright. It's gonna be worth it.
Should have got a hold so.
There you go. Woo! Alright. Well, I don't see any tracks.
No one's been down here.
I guess we got a good opportunity to catch some fish. Alright, well, I'm turn the camera off and we'll turn it back on when we get some fish on the line. Look at Brian wrangling a nice whitefish, right, Brian? Ah, it's alright. Hell yeah, dude. We saw a rod bent. It's a whitefish, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Alright.
You're up, dude.
What did the fish take?
I couldn't see.
Alright. Well, let's just do some more experimenting. Brian with the first nibble. Alright, Brian. What you think, rainbow? The old rainbow. I want to see what it took. I'm trying to put this freaking weight on my damn line while Brian wrangles in a rainbow. The first one of the day, the trip. Ooh, I see it getting closer. Come to Papa. Oh, come on. I'm putting the damn weight on. I don't have my I don't have the right forceps. I'm using a freaking wrench from the old. Ooh, yeah, that's a pretty fish. A little pretty fishy. But hey, it's better than nothing. Come on. You need a hand? We'll get a Kodak moment here. Need a hand there? You got it? Look at that beauty.
There's here.
The hair's here? Let's see here. There you go. Brian with the rainbow. Cool.